What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the video, welcome back to the vlog. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit interesting. I'm going to be installing a dash cam into the 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. That is the new project vehicle for the channel, and I honestly think dash cams are one of the best investments that you can have on any vehicle, just because in case something does happen, you would like to have it on film, just for any type of purposes. You know, you never know what can happen. If a deer runs out, a car jumps out, anything could happen. It's always nice to have a dash cam just in case something happens. I currently run a dash cam inside my Dodge Challenger, but I don't have one for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And luckily enough, a company reached out to me and they were interested in working with me. So I'm going to be installing that dash cam into the Jeep today. And I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on it, if I like it or if I don't. What I want to mention is that I'm always going to be honest about anything. If I get a product from a company or anything like that, I'm going to be honest with you guys. If I like it, I'll say I like it. If I don't, I'm going to be honest about that as well. I definitely am not in the business of selling out and just, you know, giving people great reviews just because, you know, they're offering a product up to me. I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. So I'll let you guys know where my honest opinions on this as I go further on with this video. Like always, I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you want to pick up your copy of this dash cam. And I'm going to also have a more in-depth review on the website, geekswithcars.com. So go to that if you're interested in more of my thoughts on this product, or go to my Instagram, OmegaGreed, all one word, same name as the YouTube channel, for more behind the scenes footage of everything that I do. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video and let's install this dash cam into the Jeep. Guys, so here's the box. I'm going to unbox it real quick. It should be super simple. It's actually my first time looking at the product. Take it out. It does have a nice packaging, I will say that much. Open this up. Alright, as you can see, here's the product itself. It's in this nice packaging. Open this up. It has its own 3M tape on the back. I will say my first initial thoughts, it feels kind of light, but that could be a good or bad thing. It feels actually pretty light, but we will see. Let's keep going. It has the power cord, which is nice, and some more 3M tape on the back, along with some instructions in here as well. Alright guys, so I just plugged it up. I've just mounted this thing right here. I will say the cool thing is it has a little camera view, which is nice. So that's kind of cool. I just plugged mine up. I have it just stored in there. I could tuck away these wires a little bit better, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to put it like this because I'm okay with that. The cool thing though about this app, or not this app, this camera, is it comes with a app that you can install. So if you plus GoPlus Cam inside the Android, same thing. You can find the app that goes along with this dash cam. So I'm going to install that right now. I'm going to go and look this up and install this, and I'll report back when I get this finished. Alright, as you can see, let's enter in the password. Now, the one thing that took me a little second to figure out is, and yep, it just connected. So I should just be able to go back into that app. Good, there you go. Now I'm inside the app and I can view everything. So there's, look at this, like go up in here. You can see the recordings and stuff like that. Oh, that's pretty cool. It has all the recordings. I can grab it all right from my phone. Go back. This is what the view is right now. This is the mic, and all the other settings. So that's pretty cool. That is actually pretty useful that you can have that. I like that. The one thing I will say that took me a second to figure out is that the Wi-Fi button is on this side. You have to kind of press that, if you can even see where I'm at. Yeah, on this side. You press that and that sends the Wi-Fi signal. Now, I'm going to do my best to try to film this because it's kind of inside of a weird, awkward position. I think if I press this, that'll get me out of that. But you press this button, this goes through your menu modes. You can go through, I know there's like a photo, there's a view mode, and there's the video recording mode. Once you can press the OK button to, if you're in the photo mode, take a photo or press OK to film. And then there is a menu button on this side. You can go through the different menu options. I'm gonna leave it inside the car I'm gonna drive around and I'm gonna show you guys the footage that I was able to capture, and you'll see from there, you know, how good it was and everything like that. But yeah, that's what I plan on doing. One thing I will say, it does not come with an SD card, so that's kind of weird. I guess it's not really weird, but it's just, I mean, it is what it is. It doesn't come with an SD card. I took one out of the dash cam I have inside the Challenger, so it takes it just normal micro SD card, so just be wary of that. I'll test it out and report back on my findings after I get some more footage and just kind of see how do I like it. But yeah, I'll let you guys know. I'll check back in with you, who knows when, hopefully soon.